Welcome to the Learners channel. In this video, we will going to learn about line command on AutoCAD software. In any AutoCAD drawings, the line object is the most basic and common element, and the line command is one of the most fundamental commands that we will explore while learning AutoCAD. The line command is used to draw a straight line segment or series of line segments between any two points, objects, or features in the drawing. Each line segment acts as a separate drawing object. See figure and can be edited independently. See here the line command 1, 2, 3, 4 are the points, and the connecting points of 1 and 2 is the line. Drawing lines. How to draw a line. In order to draw a line, the line command can be activated in the following two ways. The first option is to use the command available from the ribbon. Okay, activate the home tab, then draw panel, and then click the line button. Number one is optionally we can use the command line. In the command line, type the alias L or line and press the enter key or the keyboard space bar. Okay, you may see here when we enter L, then the line command is activated. Now I will go to the software and then type L in the command bar, then you see the command of line. See here in AutoCAD software, this is the line. In ribbon tab there is a line. When we press line will be drawn. Now I will going to show you in command bar. In command bar I will type here L, then press enter. Okay, there is line specify first point. Okay, now I will going to learn about how we draw a line. Okay, this is the practice exercise to know about how to draw a line. In this exercise we will draw a rectangle as shown using the line command. Let's follow the step-by-step procedure to draw the rectangle shown. Okay, first of all open the practice file. I will name it here AutoCAD 1 line. Make sure the object snap and ortho mode are on. More details on object snap and ortho mode are given further, but for now let's make sure they are activated and shown in blue like this. Use any of the two methods previously explained, ribbon or command line, to run the line command. For the start, click on point 1, drag the mouse towards the right and press on point 2. Because of the ortho mode that is activated, we will only be able to move horizontally or vertically. Click on point 2 to create the first line segment 1, 2. Now drag the mouse downward and press anywhere in a straight line to draw the second line segment 2, 3. This is the interface of AutoCAD software. Here is our snap mode. First I will on snap mode, then I will on ortho mode. Okay, now in command bar I will type here L, then press enter. Okay, there is first line specify first point. I will specify near first point. So here the first point. Now this one is second point. Because ortho mode is on, the line is drawn straight. See here, then press again press right button from left button from mouse. Again press here. Again I will make the points. Okay. Now I will press escape button to skip the line command. Okay, in further videos we will going to learn much more about AutoCAD drawings. For this, you will have to tune in to the learners channel. Thanks for watching.